Transactional leadership operates on a system of clear expectation, rewards for good performance, and punishment for poor performance, aiming to maintain order and achieve specific goals through a structured hierarchical approach. Max Weber, he made the concept of transactional leadership. Transactional leadership has five characteristics. 1. Upholds the status quo. 2. Uses a structured system of rewards and punishment. 3. Requires employees to work to establish set of rules. 4. Solicits minimal employee input. 5. Last but not the least, closely monitors employees' work. There are three types of transactional leadership, from less effective style going to more effective style. Passive management by exception. This is more freedom for employees. The leader intervenes only when necessary. 2. Active management by exception. The leader constantly controls and monitors progress, intervenes at early signs of trouble. 3. Contingent reward. Rewarding the followers depending on task, fulfillment, and outcome, resulting to more effective style. Transformational leadership, individual consideration. Features of transactional leaders are focused on short-term goals, useless inefficiency, support structural products, supporting structural policies, trending, change opposition, efficiency, reveal. Transactional leadership, on the other hand, is a sequence of transactions where the action of subordinates result in either a reward or punishment.